You what, Bolts? Here, look at this cunt here, look. Princess of the fucking Pea. Look at this, look. I don't see me fucking like it. I've been in bed an hour. It took him 4 hours just to get his doovies sorted out. Look at it. Fucking earmuffs, doovies. Look at the earmuffs up there, look. Reckons I'll fucking snore all night. Fucking hell. Hey?
Didn't want to go to bed early.
What are you doing now?
Hey,
Fucking hell. You better not sleep naked tonight. Hey, look at the fucking side, look. Hey, what else he got in his ears? Look. He's got fucking earwax, both fucking sides. And earmuffs. Yeah. I'm not being funny, but... Well, you think you don't fucking store, you kill me. Hey? Jesus Christ.
And I've got to sleep unlocked.
Here we go. Alright, Wally, 4 nights in, 5 to go. See you in the woods.